A network related or instance specific error occurred while establishing a connection to a SQL server. The server was not found and or was not accessible. Verify that the instance name is correct and that the SQL server is configured to allow remote connection. Okay. Provider name pipes provider error 40. Could not open a connection to SQL server. Now I have since pushed this code into the source code into GitHub. So I will just clone from here and I will take a fresh version of this and I will show you. I will recreate my error and provide a solution that worked for me. Okay, so I will just copy it and let me clone it on my local machine. All right, so I will click on git bash here. Git bash is the command line tool that I am using frequently. So it's all created. Now let me open this project, open the solution rather, and that's in Visual Studio 2022. Now friends, this is the project which I've cloned from my GitHub repository, and this is how the output looks like. This is a web API with a endpoint API / customer, and it gives you the customers in a nice JSON formatted manner. Now in order to reach that, first of all, let us recreate this error. Okay, so let me switch over to Visual Studio once more, and what I have done here, I have got the migration on it. The easier solution is that delete this migration folder and remigrate. Okay, so now it is all deleted. Okay, there is no migration, so I'm just going to apply a fresh migration. But let me recreate this problem. What I found in essence was that this connection string was missing over here. So this part was missing, and if you save this file, so I have now cleared the screen, and now I'll issue this command. Add migration initial create. You can give it any name. This part initial create, you can. So build succeeded. So this has created a migration folder with this application DB context snapshot and this initial create.cs file. Okay, that creates the table. Now if you, in the same instance, if you create if you issue the command update database command, let's see the fun. That's where the application fails in updating the database, and I have told you why it failed. So now this is what our title of this video is: a network related or instance specific error occurred while establishing connection to the SQL server. The server was not found. Now if you go to app settings.json where your connection string is there or configurations are there, and I put this connection string element over here in the JSON file, connection strings : this curly brace start and default connection starts and ends over here. And now if you do this update database command again, let's see the fun. Migration is already applied. There is already an object name customers in the database. Okay. Alright, so I will change the database name and I'll create a new database. So if test db1, let me give it name 1. It will get another fresh new database. So it's all done. And now if you click on this databases and refresh it, database node, and come back over here, local, you have got this EF code test DB1. All right, so this table is also there, tbo.customers, and there'll be no data because it's an empty table. All right, so that was the diagnosis and rectification. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if it has added anything to your knowledge, please give me the feedback. Thank you very much.